Hey everybody, it's your girl NYX back at it again with another video. This time I'm back with a tutorial with a client. So I'm going to be doing a client's makeup today. I'm doing her makeup for prom. If you guys like this look, don't forget to follow my makeup page, Makeupbynaesongz. And also, don't forget the most important thing, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you guys could be the first to get the content every time I upload. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are starting off with a fresh face today, and of course the first step to a beat face is beat eyebrows. So I'm starting off with the clear gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm using that to spike up her eyebrows and give it its own natural shape. And I'm going in with a regular pencil from the hair store and using that to line up her eyebrows and fill it in as well. And I'm gonna do that to both of the eyebrows on each side. And for the front part, I'm gonna go ahead and flick my pencil upwards so it can give it a more natural look. This is what I have so far. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush out the eyebrows with a spoolie, just to give the eyebrows a more natural look so they don't look so dark. I'm gonna clean up the eyebrows with Tarte Ceaseless Concealer in the color 50H Deep. Now this concealer did exactly match her skin tone, which is okay, it's fine, it's lovely. I'm gonna use that concealer to clean up the top and bottom of her eyebrows. Excuse if you see any flash, just like now, if you see any flashes go off. I did have a professional photographer come in and take pictures of me while I work. So you're gonna see a couple flashes go off in the video. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the lids. And I did make a mistake, you guys. I forgot to set the concealer with a powder. That is rookie mistake 101. But you guys are gonna see the consequences later on in the video, guys. If you're concealing the eyelids with concealer, don't ever forget to set the concealer with a powder. Period. Period. Anyways, moving on to the eyes. I did use Morphe for the brown shade that you guys see on the outside, and for the black shade that you guys see, that is the color Chad from the Saharan palette from Juvias Place. And the silver color that I'm using on the inner part of her eye is called Iman from that same Juvias Place palette. Now, we are going with silver because her theme for her prom was Diamonds Are Forever. Comment down below what your theme to your prom was, because I don't remember having a theme to my prom. I wasn't getting that much of a payoff. I went ahead and I sprayed my brush with some setting spray, and then I dipped my brush in there and put it on her eyelid, and it came out perfectly. It came out so vibrant, so beautiful. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the eye to put on glitter. I did use the NYX glitter glue to prep the eye for glitter. And I'm using this new glitter that I found recently. Well, I didn't find it. I'm actually testing out a couple of companies because I do have my own works in the works. I don't know how to explain that. That was just a huge hint to you guys. So y'all stay tuned. 2019 is gonna be a good year, and I really like this glitter. It's a chunky glitter. That's what they call it these days. And this is my first time using chunky glitter. I didn't realize that I shouldn't have went all the way to the bottom of her eyelash. I should have kept a little bit of space for eyeliner, but you guys are gonna see how I get past that later on. But right here, the chunky glitter is so beautiful. I love the big pieces that it has. This is new to me, and it came out really, really cute. Morphe 35V palette. It's a really black, so I use that really black for the inside of the lid just to give it a really good smoky effect. So this part right here, I'm just putting tape on her eyes, on the sides of her eyes, so that I can go ahead and line her eyes and give her a straight eyeliner. This method just helps me way better than me trying to freestyle the eyeliner, because sometimes it doesn't come out all the way straight, or you know, one side of the eyeliner comes out high and then the other side of the eyeliner comes out really low. So in order to give it both the same effect, I went ahead and I did that. But for the eyeliner, I did use the NYX Matte Liner in the color black, of course. I think that's what it's called. I'm telling you guys this off the top of my head. And then for the white liner, I also use the NYX in the color white, of course, obviously. So I did get a little bit of I did do a little oopsie, and I put some white eyeliner on her eyelashes because she had really long eyelashes. She's blessed with really long eyelashes, and you know, that was bound to happen. I'm gonna go ahead and put on these lashes that I also have in the works. You guys, are you guys loving these lashes? They're so dramatic, so pretty. I'm trying out a couple of vendors because I really want to get you guys some quality lashes. Now I'm gonna move on to the foundation. As you guys saw previously, I am using the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me in the color 340 Cappuccino. Maybelline can do no wrong. Maybelline has a really great variety of foundations. And it's really easy to just go to Target and pick one up. So that's why I really enjoy Maybelline. I am a forever user of Maybelline, forever. You know, it's so funny because the client's mom actually thought I used Fenty. I was like, no ma'am, this is old reliable. This is that good old Maybelline. Do you know what I mean? I'm so lame, y'all. But anyways, I'm moving on to the concealer. This is the Tarte Double Wear in the color Honey Tan. And I'm using that all over her face, her forehead, her nose, her under eyes, and her chin, of course. And I'm using the foundation brush from EcoStyler. I got this from Walmart. I'm using that to blend it out. As you can see, she is looking all around, up and down, up and down. So before I put on the setting powder, the Airspun, I did have to go back in with my finger and pat up the concealer so that I don't set creasing, because it did already start creasing. So you gotta do what you gotta do to keep it flawless, baby. So you guys already heard me mention this is the Airspun. I'm using that all over everywhere that I highlighted with concealer. on the bridge of her nose, her forehead, under her eye, her chin, and the top lip, her top lip. Now I am also going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hit Foundation stick in the color Earth. And I am patting that on ever so lightly because I didn't want to go overboard with the concealer. I'm sorry, with the contour. I think this was her first time wearing makeup, so I didn't want to do too much. And I'm using my Bakey brush from Amazon. I got this brush set from Amazon, and it's been really good so far. This is my second time using it. They're really comfortable. They're not pokey, you know, they're not itchy to use. So I really like these brushes so far. And I think this is the contour brush. I'm not sure. I'm just using that, I'm just using that to blend out all the contour that I use. And I'm just pressing the bristles of the brush to blend out the contour of her nose. Y'all, that eye is so cute. Now I'm going in with my blush. And I'm using the same blush that I've been using for a long time now, Pro Artistry blush set, I guess it's called. I'm using the pinkest pink that's in the palette. I didn't want to go overboard with the blush, but you guys can't tell me this eyelash ain't bae. I can't wait to get this this line started for you guys because I have good taste, okay? So I'm going in with the MAC finish, the MAC skin finish in the color Deepest Deep. And I'm just using that to wipe away any excess powder. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Powder Kit. And I'm using the second to darkest contour color to set the contour that I used. Now I'm going in with that same brown that I used earlier. I'm putting that at the bottom of her lid. I'm going in with a black pencil from LA Girls. This is their matte pencil. I'm using that all over her waterline, and she took it really good. Usually when I do clients and I'm doing eyeliner, they're like blinking and their eyes start crying, and I'm like, oh my god, you're doing too much. But she took it like a G. Now I'm going in with the same black color from my Morphe palette, and I'm setting the eyeliner with that. And I'm going in with my MAC mascara and giving her some bottom lashes. And there's her mom back there taking pictures. My photographer had everybody included. I'll tag my photographer at the bottom as well if you guys need any booking if you're in the Orlando area, Florida area. Oops, I made a mistake, you guys, with the mascara. You know, you can get anything can happen with mascara. You never know with mascara. It's like Russian roulette when you do mascara. But you know, I fixed it up. And I've sprayed her face all the way, and this is really where you can see the cracking in the eyeshadow, because I didn't set her eye with powder. Her eyeshadow started cracking a little bit, and you guys could see that in the video, but it's okay. I went ahead and I touched it up, put some more glue on there, put some more everything on there, and it's back popping. So now we're moving on to the lips. I am using Kylie Jenner's True Brown to outline her lips. And for the inner part, I'm using Stila in the color Lip Dough. So far, so good. Now, she wanted a neutral lip, so I went ahead and I, gave her some neutral colors with a splash of lip gloss. And the lip gloss that I'm using is from Bare Minerals. This is in the color Arfamato. I think that's how you say it. Arfamato. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Informato, something like that. It's a really weird name. I thought it was like a Arab name or something when I saw it. But I'll put it here somewhere. But you guys could see flashes going off in the background. My photographer, he's not playing. He did a really good job with my pictures. I inserted some pictures at the beginning and some at the end as well, so you guys could see the really good quality that I got for pictures. It was really great. Really appreciate my photographer for coming all the way down with me. There's another flash. But here you guys can see I'm all done. This is the before and after. She looks so beautiful. You can see the confidence all in her face. Ooh, you like it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, look at the detail. Look at the detail. Ooh. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me all the way to the end of the video. As you know, it's your girl NYX. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.